You see, now nyo again, ha? I fried again. I cooking again ha, because more order now. We like to another one. No set because we becoming busy again. I don't like to another complaint, guys. Hindi siya kaya. Guys, I put here. Soya ice. You see the color, huh? Ay boiling now. Broccoli, ha? Broccoli. At maybe only 1 minute kalas. Wow, the broccoli. Cold water, guys, because you put cold water is the coloring is stay green. You see the texture and coloring is not changed, guys, huh? You see the vegetable not change the color, guys. You see, thank you guys for watching. Already boiling. You see the coloring not change, huh? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like my video. Chef Eric Maria.